So today we are going to start revision number 1, some applications of trigonometry, chapter number 9. Okay, so in this in this chapter only 3 types of questions are there. The first type of question is problems containing only one unknown. The second one is problem containing two unknowns, and the third one is proof related questions. In fact, this type of question is not given in our NCERT book, proof related questions, but we'll do that part also in the next revision class. Okay, we'll try to complete some questions based on one unknown and two unknowns. So let us take some example. Let us recapitulate what is the angle of elevation, what is angle of depression. Okay, so suppose the students of a school are visiting Qutub Minar. Now, if a student is looking at the top of the Minar, a right triangle can be imagined to be made as shown in this figure. Okay, so there are many examples in our surroundings where we can imagine the right triangles. Okay, so this is the line of sight through which the student is watching the observing the top of the Minar, and this is the horizontal level, and the angle between these two is angle of elevation. Okay, so line AC drawn from the eye of the student to the top of the Minar is called line of sight, right? And this is horizontal line. The angle BAC, so formed by the line of sight with the horizontal, is called angle of elevation of the top of the Minar from the eye of the student. And in this way we can define the angle of elevation as that angle of elevation of a point viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed is above the horizontal line. अगर हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन के ऊपर ऑब्जेक्ट है तो एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन होगा. सिमिलरली जब ऑब्जेक्ट जो नीचे रहेगा तो नीचे की ओर देखेंगे तब हम लोग का एंगल कौन सा बनेगा? एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन. Right, we'll see one more example. Suppose a girl is looking up at a kite, and when she raised her head to look at the kite, a right triangle is imagined here. Okay, this is the right triangle, and this is the line of sight, and this is the horizontal line, and this angle is called angle of elevation. Okay, now see the reverse case. When the object is below the horizontal level of the eye, then this is an example. A girl is sitting on the balcony of her house located on the bank of a river. The girl is looking down at flower pot placed on a stair of the temple. A right triangle is imagined to be made in this situation. Okay, in this case the line of sight is below the horizontal level, so the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal is called angle of depression. Right, this is the horizontal level and this is the line of sight, and this angle is called angle of depression. Okay, see the angle of depression. See, this is the definition of a point on the object being viewed is the angle formed by the line of sight with the horizontal when the point is below the horizontal level. That is the case when we lower our head to look at the point being viewed. So this is the figure. The object is below the horizontal level, so this angle is called angle of depression. Okay, now let us start with the problems containing only one unknown. So I am going to take the first example, very simple one. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. अभी हम लोग right triangle imagine करने के बाद जो right triangle बना रहे हैं उसमें this is one example. Right triangle, right angle at B. AB is known to us. Okay, and angle ACB is given, and only BC we have to find. So only one unknown is there we have to find, that is BC. So let us draw the figure. Angle ACB is given 30 degree and AB is given for 5 centimeter, and we have to find BC. This is unknown for us. Okay, So which trigonometry ratio is belongs to these two?
Tan theta.
Tan theta. Okay, first of all, this side is opposite to this angle, so this is opposite side, and this is adjacent side. And adjacent side और opposite sides में कौन सा trigonometric ratio आता है? Tan theta और cot theta. So basically we use tan theta only. So given that AB is equals to 5 centimeter and angle ACB is equals to 30 degree. So in right angle triangle ABC, tan C is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is AB upon BC, and tan C is 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
Very good. 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is equals to 5 upon BC. So if you cross multiply, we'll get BC is equals to 5 root 3 centimeter. Okay, so this is the first example. Now see second example. Here this is very same question only. Only the length AC we have to find. See the same diagram. Now here the unknown is AC, right? And we have just seen that this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, and AC is the hypotenuse. So here opposite side is given and we have to find hypotenuse. So which trigonometry ratio is related with belongs to opposite side and hypotenuse?
Sin theta.
Sin theta, right? Sin theta or cosec theta, but we have to use, generally we'll use sin theta only. So sin C will be equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. And what is the value of sin 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Very good. So 1 by 2 is equals to 5 by AC. If we cross multiply, what you will get? AC is equals to 10 centimeter, right? So these two examples are very simple example, only to drill how what is given and what to find. Okay, so now we are moving towards the statement based questions. Okay, so this is first question. I have taken only few questions for revising. I have not taken the whole all the questions for of exercise 9.1. जो important है वो topic questions मैंने लिया है. A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tight from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. See this figure. So this is the height of the pole, right? And this is the rope, 20-meter rope. Now we need to find height of the pole. Now height of the pole is AB. This is opposite side with respect to this angle, and this is which side?
Hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio is related with opposite and hypotenuse?
Sin theta.
Sin theta, right? Fine. So in this right triangle, sin 30 degrees equals to opposite by hypotenuse. So AB upon AC. And what is the value of sin 30 degree?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equals to AB upon 20. So 20 को यहाँ shift करेंगे तो 20 by 2 हो जाएगा. So what is the value of AB?
10 meters.
Yes, 10 meter. Okay, so this is not important question, but this is related with that one unknown. Okay, so now this is very important question. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree. With it, the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. So this is the figure. यहाँ से ट्री बेंड हो गया, ब्रॉक हो टूट गया यहाँ से. सो द टॉप विल कम टू दिस साइड, यहाँ पर आके टच हो रहा है ग्राउंड में. ओके, एंड इट मेक्स 30 डिग्री एंगल हियर. ये वाला पार्ट यहाँ पर आ गया. सो दिस टू आर इक्वल, द सेम पार्ट नाउ इट कम्स हियर. ओके, एंड दिस विल मेक 30 डिग्री विद द ग्राउंड, and where it touches 8 meter from the foot of the tree. So BC is equals to 8 meter. Now what we have to find? We have to find the height of the tree. So what is the height of the tree? X plus h. That means we need to find x also, we need to find h also. So एक एक करके हम लोग यहाँ पे निकालेंगे, right? So statement बिल्कुल clear है? Whether diagram is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now first we will find x. So with respect to this angle, 8 meter is which side?
Adjacent side.
Adjacent side. Very good. And height is?
Opposite
This
side.
h is opposite, and this uh, x is
Hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. Very good. So when we have to find h, so we'll see these two, that is opposite and adjacent. So which trigonometric ratio we'll use?
Tan theta.
Tan theta. Very good. And for finding x, we will see these two, adjacent and hypotenuse. Which trigonometric ratio we'll use?
Cos theta.
Cos theta. Very good. Right. So we'll find first x value. So cos 30 degrees equals to BD upon CD. That is 8 upon x. And what is the value of cos 30 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. Right. And tan 30 degree, for finding h, we'll use tan 30 degree. So tan 30 degree कितना होगा?
1 by root 2.
Tan 30 degree 1 by root 2 होगा. That is BC upon BD, h upon 8. So दोनों एक साथ कर रहे हैं हम लोग. So यहाँ पर ध्यान से देखो, 2 यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 16 हो जाएगा, and root 3 और x को इंटरचेंज कर दो. So we'll get x is equals to 16 upon root 3. Now here we'll shift 8 only to this side, 8 by root 3. So x मिल जाएगा 16 by root 3, h मिल जाएगा 8 by root 3. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
And just before that, we already discussed that the height of the tree is x plus h. Okay, so x plus h means we have to add these two. So the denominators are same, so we'll add the numerator, that is 16 plus 8, 24. So 24 upon root 3. अगर 24 को हम लोग स्प्लिट करेंगे तो 8 into 3 हो रहा है, देखो, और this 3 can be cancelled by root 3. We'll get root 3. So final answer is 8 root 3 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now question number 4. This is also related with one unknown. Okay. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. So this is the figure. This is the tower, and a point of observation is this one, A, and this is 30 meter from the foot of the tower, and it makes the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. So we need to find h. So again, h क्या है? 30 degree angle.
Opposite side.
Opposite side. Very good. And this is
Adjacent side.
adjacent side. So which trigonometric ratio is related with this two?
Tan theta.
Tan theta, right? Even cot theta also, but we use tan theta. So let BC be the height, that is h meter, and AB is equals to 30 meter. So angle BAC is equals to 30 degree. So in right triangle ABC, tan 30 degree is equals to BC by AB. What is tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3, and BC is h and AB is 30. So we'll substitute. So 30 को यहाँ पे shift कर दिए. So h is equals to 30 by root 3. 30 by root 3 is 10 into 3. See, फिर ये 3 को root 3 से cancel करोगे तो root 3 मिलेगा, or you can rationalize and cancel. So the final answer is
10 root 3.
you can do directly also, or you can do rationalization also. If you rationalize, this will become 3. That is 30 root 3 by 3. Now, then you can cancel it. So ऐसा डायरेक्ट भी करोगे तो भी सही है, ये भी सही है. So finally you will get the same answer, that is 10 root 3. But I told you that you don't leave this answer in root form. What is the value of root 3?
1.732.
Right, 1.732. So substitute 1.732 also. So if you substitute, you will get 17.32. ओके क्योंकि अभी टेक्स्ट बुक में 10√3 दिया हुआ है इसलिए मैं यहीं पे स्टॉप किया हूँ, राइट, बट आंसर इज 17.32. Now a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. Find the length of the string assuming that there is no slack in the string. So this is the rough diagram. This is the string and this is the position of kite. Okay, and the height of the kite is from the ground is 60 meter, and we need to find the length of the string. So the length of the string we took here L meter. So with respect to 60 degree, this side is
Opposite
side and this side is
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse. So which trigonometric ratio is related with these two, opposite or hypotenuse?
Sine
Sine.
theta.
Sine theta, right, very good. So we'll use sine 60 degree is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is BC upon AC. What is the value of sine 60 degree?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2, right. So 2 into 60 120 हो जाएगा और ये दोनों को इंटरचेंज करो. So we'll get 120 upon root 3. So यहाँ पर भी ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं 40 into 3. So again you can cancel root 3 3 by root 3, so we'll get 40 root 3. Otherwise you can rationalize like that. So rationalize करोगे तो ये डिनोमिनेटर में 3 हो जाएगा, फिर ये 3 को इससे कैंसिल कर दो, you'll get the same answer 40 root 3. Okay, so textbook में 40 root 3 आंसर दिया, but you substitute the value of root 3, that is 1.732, then multiply with 40, then you will get the final answer. Okay, so now we'll move towards question number 7. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and top of a transmission tower fixed at top of 20 meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the tower. So this is the rough diagram. Okay, so building के ऊपर tower रखा हुआ है. Okay, an angle of elevation of bottom of tower, this is the bottom and this is the top, is 45 degree and 60 degree. So diagram is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so how many right triangles we have here?
2.
Two right triangles, ABC और ABD. So दोनों right triangle में हम लोग एक एक करके यूज करेंगे. So first we will take this right triangle ABC. Okay, ABC में ये दिया हुआ है और ये निकालना है हम लोग को. So opposite side is given and adjacent we have to find. So we'll use tan 45 degree, tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent, that is BC upon AB. What is the value of tan 45 degree?
1.
1. So 1 is equals to 20 upon AB. So AB is also equals to 20 meter. ठीक है, तो AB का वैल्यू हम लोग को मिल गया 20 मीटर. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड H. तो फुल ट्राइंगल लेंगे आप. सो फुल ट्राइंगल के लिए भी सेम 60 डिग्री के लिए ये पूरा फुल साइड ऑपोजिट होगा और ये एडजेसेंट, राइट. सो इन ट्राइंगल ABD, tan 60 degree is equals to BD upon AB. What is the value of tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3. And BD is H plus 20. And AB we got 20. Right? So इसको यहाँ शिफ्ट करो, 20 root 3 हो जाएगा. So 20 root 3 is equals to 20 plus H. फिर 20 को इधर शिफ्ट करो. So minus 20. If you take 20 common, 20 into root 3 minus 1. So textbook में यही आंसर दिया हुआ है, but you need to substitute root 3 also, that is 1.732 minus 1, so 0.732. ओके, उसके बाद फाइनल आंसर लिखोगे मल्टीप्लाई 20 करने के बाद. देखो 1.732 minus 1, 0.732, so we'll get 14.64 meter. Right? Now see this question. This is a very important question. 7th और 8th question बहुत important है इस साल के लिए. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal from a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of the statue is 60 degree, and from the same point the angle of elevation of the top of the pedestal is 45 degree. Find the height of the pedestal. See question number 7 और 8 में क्या सिमिलैरिटी है, फिगर दोनों का सेम है, और क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में ये निकालना था और ये दिया हुआ था. Now here this we need to this is given and this we need to find, and both the diagrams are same only. Okay, here also we have two right triangles, one is ABC and another is ABD, right? So here also we'll take both the right triangles one by one. Okay, so we'll take first triangle ABC जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चन में लिए थे. tan 45 degrees equals to BC upon AB. The value of tan 45 is 1. 1 is equals to H upon AB, right? So AB is equals to H. Okay, so let it be equation number 1. In triangle ABD, tan 60 degree is equals to BD upon AB. And how will you write BD? H plus 1.6. And what is the value of tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3. Okay, now we have to cross multiply. H का वैल्यू क्या मिला था हम लोग को? H. So H यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे यहाँ पे. Okay, if you substitute H, what you will get? H is equals to H plus 1.6 upon root 3. एक्चुअल में यहीं पे कर सकते थे हम लोग, अगर H को यहाँ पे सब्स्टिट्यूट करके रूट 3H हो जाता, राइट? वहीं पे भी सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते थे. सो यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करो इसको, माइनस H हो जाएगा, then you take common, so root 3 minus 1H is equals to 1.6. So H is equals to root 3 H is equals to 1.6 upon root 3 minus 1. अब इसको rationalize करना. What is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1?
Root 3 plus 1.
Yes, root 3 plus 1. So multiply divide करोगे तो root 3 plus 1 करने के बाद डिनोमिनेटर क्या हो जाएगा? ये 3 minus 1 हो जाएगा. ओके, सो 3 minus 1 is 2. फिर 1.6 को उससे कैंसिल कर सकते हैं, सो विल गेट 0.8. So final answer, the text in the textbook it is given 0.8 into root 3 plus 1. Okay, so I suggest you that you substitute the value of root 3, then finalize your answer. Okay, so now we are moving towards question number 9. This is also important question. ये भी बोर्ड एग्जाम में काफी बार आ चुका है. The angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So दोनों के फुट से दोनों का टॉप देख रहे हैं हम लोग. So जिसका टॉप ज्यादा ऊपर रहेगा उतना एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन मिलेगा. So किसका टॉप में एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ज्यादा आ रहा है?
Tower.
टावर. That means टावर का हाइट बिल्डिंग से ज्यादा है. So whether this is clear? क्योंकि कई लोग उल्टा कर देते हैं इसको, ठीक है. सो टावर ज्यादा हाइट का है और बिल्डिंग छोटा है. सो द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द टावर इज 60 डिग्री and angle of elevation of the top of the building is 30 degree, and the height of the tower is given 50 meter. We need to find height of the building. So first of all we'll try to find the value of AC. Now we'll start the write up. Let CD is equals to tower, that is 50 meter, and AB is equals to height of the building, that is H meter, and this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Now we are going to take ACD first, क्योंकि इसमें एक वैल्यू दिया हुआ है और दूसरा वैल्यू हम लोग निकालेंगे AC. So tan 60 degree is equals to CD upon AC, that is opposite upon adjacent. So what is tan 60 degree?
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3, right. And CD is given 50. So root 3 is equals to 50 upon AC. तो इन दोनों को interchange करो. So you will get AC is equals to 50 upon root 3. Let it be equation number 1. Now we'll take the triangle ABC. ABC triangle में 30 का ये opposite side है और इसका value हम लोग के पास आ गया AC, that is adjacent side. Okay, so we'll use tan 30 degree here also. AB upon AC. What is tan 30 degree?
1 by root 3.
Right,
1
1
by
by
root 3.
root 3 is equals to h upon AC. Now AC will be equals to h root 3. Let it be equation number 2. Up from equation 1 2 we'll get h root 3 is equals to 50 by 3. So root 3 को यहाँ नीचे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? root 3 into root 3
3.
3 हो जाएगा.
3.
So h will be 50 upon 3. So this is the final answer. So we can write either in decimal or mixed fraction. Okay, 16 2 by 3 or 16.67 meter approximately. So now we are moving towards the next type of question, problems containing only two unknowns. Okay, containing two unknowns. So यहाँ पे देखो height भी निकालना है और distance भी निकालना है. Okay, so two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road, which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree. So let AB and CD be the height of the pole, and AP is the point on the ground such that AP is equals to x meter. So this will be 80 minus x, and the angle of elevations are given 30 degree and 60 degree. So diagram is clear, and we need to find height also and distance also. So first we will take this triangle PAB. So with respect to 30 degree, this is opposite and this is adjacent. So opposite adjacent, which trigonometric ratio will use?
Tan theta.
Tan theta, right. So AB upon AP मिलेगा. So what is tan 30 degree?
1 by
1 by root 3. Very good. H upon x. Right. So H is equals to x upon root 3. Let it be equation number 1. Now we'll take this triangle. Triangle PCD. We'll use tan 60 degree. So CD upon PC. What is tan 60 degree? Root 3. So root 3 is equals to H upon 80 minus x. So इसको यहाँ पे शिफ्ट करेंगे तो h मिल जाएगा 80 minus x into root 3. Now we'll compare these two equations, equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, x upon root 3 is equals to 80 minus x into root 3. Now cross multiplication, root 3 into root 3 3 हो जाएगा. फिर open the bracket, 80 into 3 240 minus 3x. फिर minus 3x को इधर शिफ्ट करो, plus 3x. So 4x is equals to 240. So what is the value of x?
80.
60. So if x is 60, what is the value of this distance? 20?
D.
Okay. So h is equals to 60 by root 3. अभी हम लोग को दोनों distance तो मिल रहा है, अभी height भी निकालना है. तो 60 by root 3, x by root 3 था. So this we can write 20 into 3. फिर 3 को root 3 से divide करो. So we'll get 20 root 3. Okay. और you can rationalize it. Rationalize करेंगे तो denominator में 3 आ जाएगा. So 20 root 3 is the final answer. Okay. Now the distances, I told you that don't leave this answer like in root only. You substitute 1.732. So final answer we are getting 34.64. ऐसा करने से फायदा क्या है कि अगर मान लो मार्किंग स्कीम में आंसर दिया हुआ 34.64, then you will lose half marks. अगर मार्किंग स्कीम में 20 root 3 दिया हुआ है, so anyhow you got the answer here only, so you will never lose marks. So that is the benefit of substituting the value of root 3. Usually root 3 का value substitute किया होता है मार्किंग स्कीम में. Okay, so the distances already we discussed, 60 and 20. So now we'll move toward the last question of today's session. A TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. This one. From the another point 20 meter away from this point on the line joining the point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. This one. Find the height of the tower. So यहाँ पर भी दो right triangle है, triangle ABC और ABD. and we need to find the height of the tower, that is AB. So let h meter be the height of the tower and x be the width of the canal, that is CD. CB, this should be B. Okay, right? And in right triangle ACB, this is x, and with respect to this angle, this is height, and this is opposite, and this is adjacent. So here also we are using tan theta, that is tan 60 degrees equals to AB upon BC. So what is the value of tan 60 degree?
root 3,
रूट 3,
3,
और ये h है और ये x. So h is equals to root 3 into x. Let it be equation number 1. Now we'll take the full triangle, that is ABD. Okay, so tan 30 degree is equals to h upon x plus 20. Now cross multiplication, so you will get h is equals to 20 plus x upon root 3. So from equation 1 and 2 we'll get root 3 x is equals to 20 plus x. तो root 3x into root 3 3x हो जाएगा. Now plus x, if you shift here you will get minus x. So 2x is equals to 20. So x is equals to 10 meter, right? So if x is equals to 10, h will be 10 root 3. x root 3 था, so 10 root 3 हो जाएगा. You can substitute the value of root 3, right? 17.32 meter. And the width of the canal is 10 meter. Okay, so any doubt in this question?
no sir,
Okay, so this is the last question. Now this is the assignment questions. Only 4 questions are there, and you try to complete today only. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.